In our next demonstration, we shall learn how to use the divider. The divider is mostly used to scribe circles where we want to drill holes or cut out circular parts. This type of divider has an adjusting screw which, when turned, opens or closes the divider's legs to the necessary radius of the circle to be drawn. An engineer's rule is used to set the divider, and with practice you can become accurate up to 0.5 millimeter, as long as the points are kept sharp. To set a divider, in order to scribe a circle of, for example, 20 millimeters in diameter, you will have to set the divider's points 10 millimeters apart. To do this, rest one point on any convenient line on your rule. Now, carefully adjust the leg until the gap between the points is exactly 10 millimeters. Always look directly above the points as you read the rule, or your setting will not be accurate. A pop mark has been made at the center of our hole position. One of the divider's points will locate into this pop mark. This will prevent the point from slipping. Now, keeping the divider perfectly upright and using our fingertips, a circle is scribed onto the surface. A well-scribed circle is made by turning the divider only one turn and in one direction. During the review break, practice using your dividers as we have demonstrated on metal workpieces in your training area.